is for apple, juicy and red. B is for bunny, bouncing ahead. C is for cat, so soft and sweet. D is for drum with a bouncy beat. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish that swims along. G is for guitar, strums so loud. H is for hippo,